Hey everyone, my name is Nick, welcome to my new YouTube video. Today I'm gonna review the Lively app. So the Lively app is a period and cycle tracker app. It will help not only you but also your partner. So today I'm gonna show you briefly how to use it, how to download the app and how to sign up. So let's get started by installing the app. The app is available in Play Store and in App Store. So I'll be downloading the app from Play Store because I have an Android device. And now let's type in the search box Lively. Okay, here it is, tap on it, and now I'm on their Play Store page where I can install the app. Just tap on install. You can see that the app isn't popular, but nevertheless there are a lot of good reviews, and the app has a really good rating, 4.7, so this is a pretty good value. And here you can also see screenshots of the app. So finally I can open the app. Just tap on open. Here you can allow Lively to send you notifications. Let's allow. And at the top right, you can see the first button is have an account. If you have an account, just tap on it. But if you don't have it, then tap on get started. And just below, you can see another button, partner code entry. So if you have an partner code, then click on partner code entry. So let's try to sign up. To do it, tap on get started, and now tap on next, next again, type here your name, and tap on save. Okay, and now when did your last period begin? You know, I'm just showing it as an example. For example, let's select this date, and after that tap on sync with Lively. Tap on continue. And on this page you can start 1 week free trial or just tap on the cross icon at the top left. Okay, and tap on let's go. Finally, we can use the app. And guys, I really like the design of the app. It looks really beautiful. And on the home page, you'll see what day and stage it's today. And just below, you can see the tips that the app gives you for that day. Tap on all tips. You, of course, can filter them. All, do, eat, or move. Okay, go back. And just below that is the log as symptom button. So tap here, and right here you can log symptom, for example, flow, mood, energy, and so on. And there is a special icon in the upper right corner for convenient work with dates. Right here, tap on it, and yeah, right here you can edit your period dates, for example. And of course you can view your history and so on. And the last important thing that I want to show you is the settings. Just tap on the three bars icon at the top left, and here you can change your profile. You can turn on or turn off notifications. So there are a lot of options, and I really suggest you explore them on your own. So I really hope this video helped you. If so, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave your comments. Thank you very much. Bye bye.